Impossible injury prevention. Injury prevention's an interesting one. Apparently, we can prevent ourselves from being injured. How does that work? What injury are we trying to prevent? How do you prevent yourself from getting injured from all ranges of injuries? If we look at working out and going to the gym, well, let's start by looking at what's the biggest injury that people get in the gym. Well, the biggest injury people would get in the gym is finger injuries. Generally, picking up weights, dropping them on the fingers, putting plates on a bar, trapping the fingers into the bar. So if the biggest injury that you would get in the gym is your fingers, should we then practice moving our fingers and pulling them away fast so they don't get trapped into weights? Injury prevention is a funny one. You cannot prevent yourself from getting injured. Okay? You can get stronger, you can get fitter, you can feel better, and you can perform better. But injury prevention, don't believe in that one. Nonsense. Knees over toes? Knees not allowed to go over your toes is one of the craziest things I've ever heard. You might have been in a gym and doing some squats up and down, doing some lunges forward, and a trainer has said, move your foot further forward so your knees don't go over your toes. I'm sure you have been up a flight of stairs. I'm sure you've been to the bathroom or sat down at a dining table to have a meal. All of these actions require your knees to go over your toes. So people who say knees not to go over toes say that you're going to damage your knees, you're going to damage your back. This is simply not true. Torturous tight IT band. Ever heard the phrase that you've got a tight IT band? Or you can see people rolling their leg on the gym floor. What are you doing there? I'm rolling my IT band. If you didn't have a tight IT band, your knee would collapse. Your IT band is meant to be tight. That is the reason for it. It's to hold your knee and your leg joint in place. If you did want to roll it and try and stretch it out, a foam roller is never going to do that. You'd need more like a steam roller, and that would probably obviously crush your leg. So stop this nonsense of trying to stretch out your IT band. You can't stretch out your IT band. It's meant to be tight. If you've got pain in that area, let the science investigate and find out why you've got the pain. You might find the reason you got the pain around your knee is for some other reason. It's certainly not a tight IT band, and you're certainly not going to be able to stretch it out with a foam roller. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the like button. If you didn't, double click the dislike button. And please subscribe to this channel and you'll get more myths being shattered within the fitness industry.